Hi folks, I am going to show you how to use Canva, which is an excellent tool for designing pretty much anything you want. So you're going to go to canva.com, and this is the page that will come up. You'll have the option to sign up with an email or log in. I have an account, so I'm going to just go ahead and log in here. And once I'm logged in, I am taken to my dashboard. And you're going to see a lot of options here. Up in the top, you'll see options for design. You can make presentations, social media posts, videos, flyers. The possibilities are endless, and you'll see some options up top here. Below, you'll see your recent designs. So these are things that you've already created. And you can also see that on the side bar here too. Canva has templates to do all of these things, so you don't have to start from scratch, but you also can if you want to. So for today, we are going to be looking at newspaper templates. So we're just going to type that in, and it's going to bring up a whole bunch of options for us to use. And you can just scroll through these and see which ones resonate with you. You can also search by style, if you want to see something that's more minimalist. And you can also search by theme or color as well. So I'm going to just select a template here, and it's going to come up in a new tab. And now here is my template that I can work with. So now that you have your template, you can customize this. So you'll probably want to change the text boxes here, and all you have to do is click on it and type in your new text. You can change your font here, all kinds of options. You can change your size, the color, whether you want it bold or italicized, centered, all your basic text editing effects you can do here. There also are special effects if you want to make it pop in some way. Now, I'm going to work through a couple of the basic elements of Canva. So let's say we want to add something to this little area here. We're going to click text, and now we have the option to add some text. So I want to add a little bit of body. So then that pops up. Now Canva makes it very easy to move your things around. So you want to move this here, you put it right here. Oh, it's a little too big. You can resize it. And if you decide later, actually I want that to go here, you can just move it around. So you can really gives you the freedom to move your elements wherever you want them. Now, maybe you don't love this image here and you'd like to change that. You can click on it and hit delete. And that'll take that away. We'll get rid of that too. And then we can go over to the sidebar here. This is where all our tools are going to be. So I'm going to click Elements. And this is going to give me different images and shapes and different graphics. So maybe I want to include a snowflake. I type in snowflake, and I can click on snowflake, and it comes up. And just like the text, I can move it. If I want to make it bigger, I click on the corner, or smaller, and I can do that. I can also change the color of it. So up top is always going to be where you make changes to whatever element you're working with. So if I want to make this snowflake maybe purple, I can change it. I can also crop it if I don't like the size of it. I can make it part of the snowflake, like that, if I wanted to. Another thing I can play around with is the background. Maybe I want to have my background be this kind of pattern, and I can change it there. I can also do a solid color, and you can search the backgrounds. You've got landscapes and patterns and all kinds of different things to choose from. Now for this project, you're going to be working on this together. So you're going to want to have a way to share this document so that others can work on it. And Canva lets you do that. there's a share button right here, and you can click share, and then you can type in the emails of the people that you want to share it with. So I'm going to add myself here actually, and I can change here. I want to be able to edit this. Now you could also use the feature where the person you share it with can only view it and not edit. But for our project, we want to be able to edit. And then you can say a little message, help me create the newspaper. Yay. And then I hit send. And that person then gets an invite. You can also share the link to this, so whoever creates it can just share the hyperlink, and then another person can edit it that way. To edit, you will need to have a Canva account. So for the purposes of this assignment, you will mostly be working with the elements, the text, and maybe the background. And feel free to play around. You can get really creative. You can go in as deep into this as you want. And there are a lot of other Canva tutorials out there on YouTube, so if you want to do something a little more in depth, this is just an overview of the basics. I hope this has been helpful, and good luck on your projects.